Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, I have been asked to do a review on Pi Network. Guys, Pi, I'm on their website right now. I've been reading through, I've been making my research, and this is all I've got to say about this network, guys. Now, I'm gonna go straight to the point. Number one, Pi cryptocurrency or Pi network is, as we speak for now, useless. What do I mean by useless? The currency you're mining as of now, don't get me wrong, as we speak, as of today, it is useless, because according to them, they are still in their phase 1. I think it's their test net where they are testing everything. So according to them, in their phase 3, that is when it will be listed on exchange platforms, when you cannot be able to change it for fiat. Fiat means you cannot change it for other currencies, probably USDT, BUSD, or Bitcoin, whichever. But as we speak now, Pi money or Pi network or Pi cryptocurrency is useless. Now, it is not listed on any exchange platform. Let's go to we all know CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. These are the two cryptocurrency sites to check for cryptocurrencies and get informations. Pi network, it's not listed at all. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap, search for Pi network. It's not listed. Instead, we have Capi network. So as we speak right now, guys, what you are mining now is, in quotes, in short, useless. But I want to say something. There's one thing I love about the Pi network or the Pi community. Now, they have a whole lot of people in their community. Now, there's every tendency that, yes, tomorrow, in the future, in quotes, in the future, it gets listed on the exchange platform and it becomes something valuable. But as we speak right now, it is not valuable. What I love about them, like I said earlier, is the amount of people they have in their community. One billionaire can come out tomorrow and say, oh, I want to create my own cryptocurrency, but I don't want to start from scratch. All right, let me partner with Pi Network. Do you understand? And okay, since Pi Network already have millions of people making use of this cryptocurrency, or already have this app installed on their phone, it will be easier for me to reach more people. Then probably Pi merges with Facebook, or I'm just saying, or Pi merges with hot dog or one burger company or anything. Then they start accepting Pi as a means of transaction. It can happen. Now, information is power. Pi has a lot of people all over the world making use of this app. So there's every tendency for them to have this amount of people using their platform, meaning they already have information. Because every app you install on your phone gets your information. If you don't know now. No matter how hard you want to say you want to uninstall, it gets your information, your contacts, the apps you use often, your messages and everything. So information is power. So Pi already has a lot of people in their community. So it will not be difficult for them to actually advance into something great and start actually using it for something valuable. So at that time, Pi can now be very, very valuable. So, but as we speak now, Pi is useless. As of now, is useless. So what is my advice? My advice is, since you are not paying any money for investment, they are not asking you to invest anything, you are just going on your phone, logging in and, in quotes, mining. But according to them, from what I read, you are not even mining, because you are not using your phone power. They are just actually doing is you coming in, confirming that you're not a robot. That is just it. That's what they are doing for now. So as every day you come, you are proving to them that you are a partner with them. You are a Pi community. You are amongst the Pi community and all that. So they just call it mining, but really it's not mining. It is not taking your phone power or anything. According to them, that's what they said. So if this is what you have to do to earn as much Pi as possible, then I'll tell you, no problem. You can just be doing it. Nobody knows what will happen in the future. Nobody knows. So you can just be going there at your free time, at your leisure time, mine and just go out, mine and go out. But guys, there is every tendency that this thing never becomes something great tomorrow, and there's every tendency that it might. So me, I'm talking based on now. As we speak now, the Pi network is useless. You can't use the money for anything. All those videos you see people saying they are using Pi in China or something, rubbish, lies. It is not accepted anywhere, according to them, from their own white paper, from their own words. Pi, as we speak, is useless. So anybody telling you that they are using Pi or they are accepting Pi, because I've seen videos like that, people saying they are accepting Pi in China to buy things, is a lie. You can't even use it. You can't even transfer it. How do you want to do it? I don't know. You only mine Pi, and it stays with you. So it is at when they are at their stage 3, when it is not listed in exchange platforms. That's when you cannot exchange it for other cryptocurrency or for other fiat currencies. So for now, as we speak, it is useless. For me, I don't use it. I don't. But don't forget what I said. Anything can happen. If Dogecoin could get to where it is today, anything can happen. Anything is possible. And these people, they have a lot of people making use of their product. They have a lot of people who have this app on their device. So there's every tendency that, because my pastor used to say something, a man that has people automatically has wealth. If you have people, you automatically have wealth. So these people already have Pi network. They already have millions of people making use of their platform. So they already have people and they already have information. So it will be easier for them to just move into something valuable or something reasonable, and Pi coin will not be accepted. And you that have been mining from years back will not be the one to enjoy it. And we, like me, that have refused to mine, will not be saying, oh, Adaino. So there's also another coin that actually was working like Pi before, but right now it is also listed in an exchange platform. Let me show you. I think it's ETN. Okay, many of you will know about ETN. ETN also came like a mining platform. I actually mined ETN at that time. Now ETN is listed in KuCoin. This KuCoin is an exchange platform. So KuCoin is a well-known exchange platform. So it's not just an ordinary exchange platform. KuCoin is just like Binance. So it is a is a big exchange platform, not just an ordinary exchange platform. Oh, it's been long I logged in. So let me just log in. Let me log in so that you guys will see. KuCoin. Yeah. Let me log in. I want you guys to see that cryptocurrency ETN. We mined ETN, I think was early this year / last year. It just came out like PI too, just the way PI came. So it was, at that time it was useless. You can't use it. It was not listed in any exchange platform, nothing. But I just saw the beauty in it. I went into it, and before you know it, they stopped mining. The date of mining stopped, according to what they said in their white paper, that at the stage 3 they will be listed on exchange platform. And just the way they said was how it happened. Now they are listed on KuCoin. Let me check CoinMarketCap if we will see. Let's search for ETN. ETN. Yes, Electronium. That's what you're seeing here. Electronium. As you can see, this one is already listed. Let's check market. Can you imagine? See, it's listed on KuCoin, CoinDCX, Hubio, CoinX. See, it's listed on HIT, BTC, A3 Stoba, Trade Orange, Trade Orge. So it's listed on Probit, Probit too is listed on Probit. So it's listed on top 10 exchange platform. That's what you're seeing, ETN. And as you can see, CoinMarketCap is rating it as number 254 coin. Can you imagine? Number 254 coin in the list of top 2000, or I don't know how many cryptocurrencies we have. It is number 254. And guys, when it came out just the way PI came. It was just a mining something. You were mining, people were mining, introduce friends, invite friends. And look at, this is where it is right now. ETN. This I don't know, KuCoin hasn't sent me a verification to my email, to my phone number instead, because I want to show you guys. So I believe anything can happen. If you guys are doing it, you guys can continue. This is it. It's also listed on CoinGecko. So these are what you look at before you dive into any cryptocurrency. How is the cryptocurrency? What are they doing? How are they doing it? Do you understand? How far have they gone? So these are the things you need to look at. So, but I just want to believe that Pi might just become like this. Oh, these people should send me SMS. Okay, guys, I might have to pause this video and add it later just to save time. But that is all I can say for now, guys. I don't know. This guy should send me this. Let me show my audience. Okay, they've sent it. Okay, confirm. All right, assets. I want to show you guys. Okay, as you can see, ETN. I have 1,500 ETN. 1,500 ETN. So this was what I could mine at that time. Can you imagine? And now ETN, that 1,500 that I mined free of charge is now worth $25. So imagine I started early, just like how you guys have started PI early, and you have mined so much. Most of you might have over 20,000, 30,000, some over 100 million PI. What if it now gets listed just the way ETN got listed? Now you'll be making so much money. So this is one of the reasons why I still feel anything can happen. So you see, ETN is just a testimony too, just like that. So guys, that is all I have to say about all this. So if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I explain in a layman's understanding. I explain in a way whereby you would understand. I bring it down to your level. So give this video a thumbs up if I've made sense, and like I said, share also and subscribe. Thank you guys.